Well, hi there everybody. Pickwizard from UKlocksport.co.uk sent me 3 Henry Squire lever padlocks. The first one's a 440 and a 330 and a 220, if you can get that. 220. And yeah, these aren't bad. I can put these with my little selection of 2. I believe these are only single levers. That's a heavy brass one, that's just a metal one. But yeah, I've now got 5 to my collection. Alright, just bear with me, I'll get this thing set up here. And we'll have a go at doing the 440. What I've done, I've actually had these for months, so rather than look around at making other stuff, I dragged out a lot of the stuff that I've made months and months ago. This is only a bike spoke. Is that the one? No, that's not the one. I think that's the one. It's only a bike spoke, and I've just put a bit of a bend in there so you can get into the back of it. And I'm just using an overlifter, mortise overlifter. Okay. Get out in the back, bring on there, a little bit of pressure. And just lift them up one at a time. I haven't got a lot of pressure on that, just enough so I can detect movement as the levers move. And I gradually increase the pressure as I think they're starting to work their way into position. If I can't feel the levers working, well then I really start loading up on the tension, because it actually takes a fair bit to swing the mechanism over to unlock it. Just a bit awkward to hang on to. Right, I don't think it's far away now. I just backed off the tension in a bit, I think, to set lever 3, I think. Oh, there it is. Just gone. Okay. there she be. I shall work on the other. I may have to make smaller ones of these for these two, because they're obviously too long to fit in there, so I may have to make another one a lot shorter. Okay, that's the first one down, Steve. Thanks very much for that, buddy, and thanks for watching that. Hooroo for now.